Welcome to students in my class. My name is Farah Hassan. Subscribe my channel. Let's start today's class. Exercise number 8.2. Question number 7. A milkman sold two of his buffaloes for 20,000 rupees each. So students, on one he made a gain of 5% and on the other a loss of 10%. Find the overall gain or loss. So students, the milkman sold two buffaloes, 20,000 rupees each means selling price is given. Sold two buffaloes, 20,000 rupees each means this is the selling price. Okay. On one he made a gain of 5%. So number one buffalo he sells at a gain of for 5% gain in profit. And number two buffalo he sells at a loss of 10%. So friends, point noted that cost price not given, just selling price given and sales loss and profit percentage given. Find the overall gain or loss. So let's start. Number one buffalo. Okay. Cost price not given. So let's suppose. So first we find out the cost price. Okay. Amount of number one buffalo he sells at a profit of 5%. So let's suppose cost price of one buffalo is X. Okay. Profit, because number one buffalo he sells at a profit of 5%. Profit is equal to 5% of X. And I told you in previous classes that profit and loss always calculate on cost price. 5 upon 100 multiplied by X. So 5 into X is equal to 5X upon 100. Selling price, you know that, equal to cost price plus profit. Okay, so selling price given 22,000 rupees each. So it means that number one buffalo selling price is 20,000. Cost price, let's suppose X. Profit 5X upon 100. So denominator is 1. So take the LCM of 1 and 100. 1 1 the 1, 100, 100 1 the 100. So LCM is 1 multiplied by 100 is equal to 100. 100 1 the 100. 1 multiplied by 5x is equal to 5x. Plus sign. 1 multiplied by 100 equals to 100. 100 multiplied x is equal to 100x. 100 plus 5 is equal to 105x upon 100. Now 100 divide here, now 100 multiply here. Okay, 100 because divide here, so 100 shift here, so 100 multiply here. Okay, this is now 2 lakhs. 105x. Okay, 105 multiply here, so now 105 shift here, so 105 divide here. So find out the value of x means cost price find out. Okay, because cost price not given, so cost price find out. 105 multiply by x, so now 105 divide here. 6, 20 lakhs, 105. 5 to the 10, 5 1 the 5, 5 4 the 20, 4 lakhs. Now divided by 20, 4 lakh divided by 21. 21 ones are 21, because 21 to the 42 is a greater number. We cannot take greater number. 1 give you 10 minus 1 9. 3 remaining, 3 minus 2 1. 2 0 write down. 21 90 the 0 0 9 1 into the 18. 1890. 1890. 9 0 0 1 taken here, 10 minus 9 1 0 write down. Now 4 the 21 4 4 1 the 4 to the 8. And if 21 multiplied by 5, so it's greater number. We cannot take greater number, so 21 4 the 84. 10 minus 4 is equal to 6, 9 minus 8 1, write down 0, and 21 7 is the 6 the 6 1 the 6, 6 2 the 12, sorry 6 to the 12, 126 is smaller, so 21 7 the 7 is the 7, 7 to the 14, so 7 is the 14, 147. 10 minus 7 is 3, 5 remainder, 5 minus 4 1. Point after decimal we can take 0. 21 6 is 126. Because 127 21 multiplied by 7 is greater than, so we cannot take greater number. 21 6 is 126. 1 take here, 10 minus 6 4, remainder 2, 2 minus 2 0. Because decimal right here, so we can take 1 0. Okay. 21 2 is 42, so this is the greater number, so 21 1 is 21. 10 minus 1 9, 3 minus 2 1. So we can this is the answer, because we, after decimal just 3 times multiply. Okay, so x is 19047.61. This is the cost price of number 1 buffalo. Now word for number 2 buffalo. And you know that cost price is not given of both buffaloes. So let's suppose cost price of number 2 buffalo, let's suppose x. And this buffalo and other buffalo sales at a loss of 10%. So loss is equal to 10% of x. Loss and profit always calculate on cost price. Cost price is x, 10% of x is loss. 10 upon 100 multiplied by x. So 10 into x is equal to 10 into x is equal to 10x upon 100. You know that selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. In previous class I told you that if we purchase a pen at 30 rupees, this is the cost price, and sales this pen is 20 rupees, this is the selling price. So loss is 10 rupees. This is the loss. So cost price minus loss is equal to selling price. So selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. Cost price, let's suppose x, and loss is 10x upon 100. Cost selling price is given 20,000. In first line, we read Amit man sold two buffaloes of his 20,000 rupees each. It means that this is the selling price. One term denominator. So take the LCM. LCM is 100, 100 1 100, 1 multiplied by 10x is equal to 10x minus 1 multiplied by 100 is equal to 100. So 100 multiplied by x is equal to 100x. 100 minus 10 is equal to 90, 100. 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. 0, 0 cancel, okay? 10 divide here, now 10 multiply here, because this 10 shift here. So 10 divide here, so now 10 multiply here. Here 9x, okay? Because 10 multiply here. Now find out the value of x, cost price find out of buffalo. So 9 multiply here, not 9 divide here. Then shift the number, so 9 divide multiply here, so 9 divide here. Now start the divide. Nine to the 18, 2, 0, 9 to the 18, 2 remainder 0, 9 to the 18, 2 remainder 0, 9 to the 18, 2 remainder 0, write down 9 to the 18. Now all the number of zeros, all the zeros have finished, so after decimal we can take 0 after decimal. 9 to the 18, 0, sorry 2, so 0 you can take 1 0 more. 9 to the 18, 0. After decimal 2 or 3 times we can multiply. Okay, so this is the answer. Number 2 buffalo cost price is, find out, 22,222 point something rupees. Now find the overall gain or loss on all whole transaction. So students, first we find out the cost price. Total cost price means total cost price of number 1 and number 2 buffalo. Total cost price means number 1 buffalo and number 2 buffalo. Number 1 buffalo cost price is 19,047 rupees point something. Plus number 2 buffalo cost price is 22,222 point something. Now add these 19,047 point something, 22,222 point 22, 3, 8, 9, 6, 2, 11, 4. 41,269 rupees total cost price. 269 rupees point 83. This is the total cost price. Now find out the total selling price. Now students, selling price, total selling price find out. Total selling price means number 1 buffalo plus number 2 buffalo. 20,000 rupees each selling price. Okay, so total selling price is 40,000. This is the total selling price. Okay, now if the cost price greater than selling price, so loss find out, means cost price greater than selling price, so loss find out. Okay, so students, total cost price is 41,269 rupees and total selling price is 40,000. So it means that total cost price greater than selling price. So this is the loss. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. So total cost price is 41,269.83 and total selling price is 40,000. So this is the loss. So subtract from 41,269 41,269.83 40,000. Point after can take 203 8 9 6 2 1. So loss is 1,269 point something. Okay. So first find out the cost price of number 1 buffalo and cost price of number 2 buffalo. Then total cost price find out and total selling price find out. Cost price greater than selling price, so loss find out. Okay students, take care, bye.